Snow is falling. See you, and the land is calling. See you, and the people need lifting. See you, and voices need listening.
Hi, I'm Verena.
And I'm Genevieve.
And right now we're going to be teaching you the CU Denver alma mater in Spanish.
First we'll sing the chorus and then we'll go over the pronunciation.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Cuando cae la nieve,
Te vemos, CU Denver.
y la tierra llama.
Te vemos, CU Denver.
Cuando el pueblo quiere.
Te vemos, CU Denver.
Que lo escuchen y
Te vemos, CU Denver.
Great, now why don't we try repeating each word? Genevieve, why don't you try repeating after me?
Sounds good.
Okay, so we have cuando
Cuando
cae
cae
la nieve
la nieve
y
y
la tierra
la tierra
llama.
llama.
Cuando
Cuando
el pueblo
el pueblo
quiere
quiere
que
que
lo escuchen
lo escuchen
y eleven.
y eleven.
And then the second part of that will be debemos.
Debemos.
CU Denver.
CU Denver.
Awesome. I think we're ready to start singing it. Don't you think, Genevieve?
I do.
Okay, I'm going to sing the first part of the chorus and then you can sing the second part of the chorus.
Sounds good. And we're going to do it twice through, so feel free to jump in when you're ready.
And feel free to sing with me or sing with Genevieve's part. Cuando cae la
Te
nieve
vemos, CU Denver.
y la tierra llama.
Te vemos, CU Denver.
Cuando el pueblo
Te
quiere
vemos, CU Denver.
que lo escuchen y
Te
eleven.
vemos, CU Denver.
Cuando cae la
Te
nieve
vemos, CU Denver.
y la tierra
Te
llama.
vemos, CU Denver.
Cuando el pueblo
Te
quiere
vemos, CU Denver.
que lo escuchen y
Te
eleven.
vemos, CU Denver.
Well, I think we finally did it. We taught them the alma mater.
Wait, that was it?
Yeah, we had the first video where Verena and I taught them the first verse.
The second video where Katie and I taught the first part of the chorus.
The third video where Finn and I taught the second part of the chorus.
And then we also taught it to them in Spanish.
Yay! Guys, you know what I think would be a great idea? If we sang the entire song all together.
Katie, that is such a great idea.
Let's do it.
Come to the next video to sing the CU Denver's alma mater with us.